Holy shit, what the fuck is this? It's not looking like scam, it is scamming us. Oh my god. Who did this? Billion. Not only Ethereum. Everything is just manipulated as fuck. Holy shit. Let's see whether Coinmarketcap is the same. Luckily not. So you see the real prices right over here. Still losing in the 7-day, but getting a little better. But what is going on Coinmarketcap is just legit. These information are just zero. This fucked so up. This is just ridiculous, man. So don't believe in these values. They're fake. Don't get your money pulled away. You can also check out Crew to watch. This is also very nice and neat page to check out cryptocurrencies. And as you can see, 40,182. So keep you safe, man, and don't buy. Or this is not a financial advice, but you can buy when you want. But maybe you should buy. I don't know. It's a good dip still. So we're still in the bull run. So have a nice day, and I would be very pleasured if you like and subscribe my channel. See you soon, Geek Germany.